Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create home page and nav components. But before that, we will do some cleanup. We will delete some files which are not required. So let's go inside client folder, okay? And inside client folder, we need to go inside src folder. And here are some files which are not required. So first I'll delete logo.svg and inside index.js, let's remove this strict mode, okay? Let me save this. Then let's remove report web vitals. Okay. So let me remove this from here. Let's save this. Then I'll remove app.css. So let's delete this file. So here there is no app.css. Now let's go inside app.js. Okay. App.js. And here there is logo svg. Let's remove this. There is app.css, which is the file which we have deleted. Then let's delete this header. Okay, let's remove this class. Okay, and here I will write something. Okay, so let me write app file. Okay, save this, and now let's start the server. Okay, so let me clear this terminal, and here I'll type npm run dev. Okay, hit enter. Okay, here as you can see, app file. Okay, so we have almost cleaned up everything. Let's keep this index.css, but I'll be using Tailwind CSS, so that we will do in coming up lectures. But right now, I'm just keeping the index.css. Okay, so now let's create both the files, which are homepage and nav component. So let me close everything. And inside the src folder, I will create a new folder, okay, and name it as components. And inside components folder, I will create a new new folder, sorry. So let me create a new folder and name it as layout, okay. And inside the layout folder, I'll create a new file and name it as home.js and hit enter. And here I'll do RAFCE and press tab. Okay. So this is the shortcut. If you want to use this shortcut, you need to install this extension. So if you click here on this extension icon, so let me tell you what is the extension. So there are a lot of extensions which I'm using. So let me show you which one it is. Okay, here it is. ES7 plus React Redux, React Native snippets. Okay, so you need to install this. So once you install this extension, then you can use the shortcuts. So there are a lot of shortcuts. Then let me close this. So there are a lot of snippets which you can use. I'm just looking into the shortcuts where I can find. So if you click on the snippets, so as you can see, here there are the prefix is here and the method is written here. So we were using RAFCE, so RAFCE. So now as you can see, once you type RAFCE, you will get this code. Okay. Then if you do RAFC, then you will get this code. So these are all the shortcuts. Okay. We can just go through this. Let me close this. Okay. Now let's go back and let's close this. So this is the home page. Okay, let me come here. Okay, let me close this as well. So let me save this file. So inside the home page, we will add all the HTML And styling, we will be using Tailwind CSS. Styling we will do in the coming up lectures. This in this lecture we will only complete the HTML. So this div I need a section. So instead of this div, I will write section. Let me copy this, paste it here. Okay, so now this is a section, and inside the section, I will take a div. Okay, and inside this div, I'll take one more div, and now I'll take an h1 tag, and here I will type professional development. Okay, then after this h1 tag, I'll take a p tag, and here I'll type learn more, earn more. Okay, let me save this. Then after the p tag, I'll take one more div, and inside this div, I'll take an a tag. Okay, right now I'm using only a tag, but in the next lecture, I'll be using link tag that I'll show you. Okay, so if right now just type this, so HTML register.html, and text will be registered. Okay, then I need one more a tag, so let's duplicate this. So option shift and down arrow key if you are using Mac, and if you are using Windows, then alt shift and down arrow key. Okay, so this is the shortcut to create a duplicate line. So this is login, and here I'll type login. Okay, let me save this. So home page HTML is done. Now we will create one more file, and so inside layout folder, I'll create one more file and name it as navbar.js. Okay, here also I'll do RAFCE, press tab. Now we will complete the HTML for this navbar as well. So let me close this, and instead of this div, I'll take nav. Okay, now inside this nav, I'll take h1 tag, and inside this h1 tag, I'll take a tag, and I link this to index.html. Okay, this is MERN auth. Okay, and after this h1 tag, I'll take ul, then inside I'll take li, and inside the li, I'll take a tag, and here I'll type register.html. Okay, let's close this, and here I'll type register, and I need one more li, so just duplicate this, and then this is login. Okay, login. Let me save this. So this navbar is also completed. Let's open this, and now inside the app.js, okay, we will import both the components that we have created. So here inside this div, let's import first navbar. So once I click on this navbar, this is auto imported. Okay, so let me close this. So as you can see, this is the path which is required. Okay, so this is auto imported. Then we need home. Sorry, let's auto import the path. So home, and if I click this, you can see it is automatically imported. If I save this, this is done. Now, if I go on the browser, and if you can see here, okay, so this is what it is looking right now. Once we do the styling, it will change. So if I click on register, it will take me to register.html, and if I click on login, it will take me to login.html. Same way here also, if I click on register, it will take me to register. If I click on login, it will take me to login. But still, this is just a boilerplate. We will complete the styling in next video, and after that, we will do the routing. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.